Hey there, YouTube. This is just a little update. I figured out some interesting mathematics behind ionic properties. Um, Essentially, I have this little sheet of paper right there. I don't know if anybody else understands all of this. I found it kind of interesting that Microsoft's logo fits around the fourth. I was kind of going over how you get nuclear strong and weak force based on ionic or covalent properties, such as the fact that H2O is ionic, right? Because it has three molecules that make a fourth or doesn't make a fourth. And so you see that the ionicness is because of the fact that it sits on the prime 3. And what you notice is that the 4 is not prime, which is when you have ionic, charged or not charged, right? I also realized that if you were to have a square with all sides of 1, and you wanted to fuse that with another square of all sides of 1, you would have to move both of the 1's 0.25 measurement to reach together, which would make a total length of 1.5, with the links originally at 2, leaving a difference or a bond strength of 0.5. Now this is just a simple mathematic way of expressing why we have strong, weak nuclear forces. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for right now. I was probably going to make some software to automatically generate this information so that we can maybe get something advanced out of it. I noticed that Folding at Home was actually running some software that was similar to something I had created for bubbles, but that was more for space and time theorem. That was essentially you have space within space within space within space, which creates the lapse of time. And so space outside of space, the larger picture, is the manifestation of everything that occurs within. And so if you find the smallest point, you realize that you have ups and downs. Now that's expressed pretty simply in this drawing over here, right there, which comes from the 4 being generated before. Now, that shows that there's 4 downs and 3 ups, which is also pretty interesting that sits right on water. Water is the basis for life on our planet, H2O. And so therefore we realize that our mathematics is what helps create life. I'm going to upload this to YouTube now, so yay! I'm kind of proud of myself for finding all of that.